everyone, this is Priya from A.D.C department. Now we are discussing about introduction to Python programming. Truthful function, return values and parameters. Function that returns values are called a truthful function. Parameters variables in function definition. Argument values passed to function when called return values. Use return statement to send the result back to caller. Function can return multiple values using tuples. Without a return statement, function return null. Scope and advanced function concepts. Variable scope. Local scope variables defined inside a function, only accessible within that function. Global scope variables defined outside function, accessible throughout the program. Use global keyword to modify global variables from within function. Function composition. Calling function within other function. Passing function result as arguments to other function. Regression. A function calling itself requires a base case to prevent infinitive regression. Example, factorial calculation. String slicing and immutability. String in Python or sequence of the character enclosed in quotes. String slicers. Access path of the string using the slicing string start and step. Example, greeting equal to hello world. Greeting 0 is 5 returns hello. Greeting 6 is return hello world. String cannot be changed after creating. Operating creates a new string rather than modifying existing one. String function methods and string modules. String functions. Length string. Return the length of the string. String object. Convert object to string. String methods. String upper. Convert to uppercase. String lower. Convert to lowercase. String trip. Remove white space from beginning and end. String replace old and new. Replace occurrence of the substring. String split. Separator. Splits string into the list. String modules. Import string with string import string. List operations methods and behavior. List operation. List is an order changeable mutable collection of items enclosed within the square brackets and separate by commas. List can store items of various data types including numbers, string, boolean and even other than list. String methods. Python list are different data structure and they come with a variety of built-in methods for the manipulation and interaction. Append, insert, remove, pop, sort, reverse. List behavior mutability. Lists are changeable. You can add, remove, or modify elements after the list can be created. Ordered. List maintain the order in which elements are added. This means the position of the element matters and elements can be accessible by the index. Tuples and dictionary tuples. A tuple in the Python in ordered and immutable collection of the items. This means that once tuple is created, its elements cannot be changed, added, or removed. Tuples are defined by enclosing elements within the parenthetics and separating them in commas. Dictionaries. A dictionary is a built-in data type using to store collection of data in key value pairs. It is an unordered, mutable, and in-text collection meaning. Access student name, add, update, or remove. Dictionary methods. Key. Return view of keys, values, return view of values, items, return view key, value pairs, get key default, return value of for key or default, it key not found. String formatting and command line arguments. String formatting in Python refers to the process of the creating string that include dynamic content such as variables, expression, or the result of function calls by embedded them within the string literal. They can denoted by the prefix a string literal with small f or capital F. Command line arguments in Python are inputs provided to a Python script when it is the executed from the command line or terminal. They allows user to customize the behavior of a program without modifying its source code, making scripts more flexible or reusable. Errors and exception handling. Syntax errors code that Python cannot parse. Exception errors. Detection during the execution. Command exception. Type error operation applied into the appropriate type. Value error operation receives arguments with correct type but inappropriate values. File not found error attempts file operation in non-existing file. Zero division error division by zero. Index error sequence index out of range. Key error dictionary key not found. Thank you.